Imagine a world where your garden is always immaculate, requiring no effort on your part. Where every corner of greenery reflects your love for nature, free from the hassle of plant debris. This world is now within reach thanks to the Einhell GC-RS CB Garden Shredders. Let me take you on an adventure where technology meets nature to transform your gardening into an unprecedented experience. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours right away. This garden shredder is perfect for amateur gardeners and homeowners looking to maintain their garden with ease and efficiency without sacrificing their peace of mind. Ideal for those looking for a quick and quiet solution to get rid of plant debris. At the heart of this device lies a promise to transform cleaning your garden from an exhausting chore into a quick, enjoyable, and above all, silent task. On a beautiful morning, while trimming your shrubs and branches without worrying about the preparation, this Einhell garden shredder, with its powerful 2800W motor and a speed of 4,000 revolutions per minute, takes over. It effortlessly devours branches up to 45 mm thick, reducing them to useful compost or simply more manageable waste. What sets this shredder apart from others is its almost silent operation. Unlike traditional models that roar and rumble, this garden shredder whispers. Your serenity and that of your neighbors remain intact, even during the most intense gardening sessions. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. Mobility is another major advantage of this shredder. Equipped with a sturdy chassis mounted on wheels and a transport handle, it moves with ease. Whether your garden is large or made up of several small spaces, this shredder is always where you need it without any effort. Safety has not been overlooked. The 60-liter collection bin, which is not only transparent to allow you to see the fill level, is equipped with a safety switch. It automatically cuts off the power supply if the bin is removed, thus preventing any accidents. The protection circuit breaker and the anti-restart device enhance this safety, protecting both the user and the motor. The shredder also features an ingenious functionality. The reverse rotation switch of this little technical marvel allows you to change the direction of the cutting cylinder, making it easier to clear jams without having to put your hands into the mechanism. But beyond these technical features, what truly makes a difference is the impact of this device on your daily life. Gone are the days wasted on collecting and disposing of plant waste. With this garden shredder, your garden remains a haven of peace without the inconveniences associated with its maintenance. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. And that's not all. The reviews from those who have already experienced this device speak for themselves. With over 1,000 reviews showing an impressive average rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars, user satisfaction is evident. Each comment is a testament to the ease, efficiency, and peace of mind that this garden shredder brings to their lives. Now, let's summarize these advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, power and efficiency. With a 2800W motor and a speed of 4,000 revolutions per minute, it effectively shreds branches up to 45 mm thick. Advantage number 2, quiet operation. Designed for nearly silent operation, it minimizes noise, disturbances. Advantage number 3, ease of movement. Thanks to its wheeled chassis and transport handle, it is easy to move around the garden. Advantage number 4, optimal safety. Equipped with a safety switch, a protection circuit breaker, and a restart prevention device for risk-free use. Advantage number 5, transparent recovery bin of 60 liters. Allows for easy visibility of when the bin needs to be emptied, while ensuring a large recovery capacity. Advantage number 6, reversing switch. It facilitates the removal of jams by reversing the rotation direction of the cutting cylinder. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. The number 1 disadvantage is the weight of the device. Weighing 29.5 kilo, it can be considered quite heavy, although the wheels make it easier to move, 2009. So, if the idea of a perfectly maintained garden without the noise and effort usually associated with its upkeep appeals to you, don't hesitate any longer. Click on the link in the description to order the Einhell GC-RS CB Garden Shredder at the best price, learn more about this revolutionary product, and discover thousands of reviews from satisfied customers. Your garden and you deserve the best. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.